everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new video. So in this video I'm going to show you all what's inside the kit of a physiotherapy student. Here is my kit. So starting with the first one, this is stethoscope. So you need to keep a stethoscope in your kit. It is used to check the vitals or it is used to check the breath sounds. Next we have this hammer. This hammer is used to check the reflexes. Like for example, we can check the knee reflex or you can check the brachial plexus, supinator reflex. So you have to keep this hammer in your kit. So next one is the tuning fork. Tuning fork is basically used to check the vibrations like this. You can feel the vibrations or even you can hear the vibrations. So it's necessary for you all to have this tuning fork in your kit. Next we have this test tube. Okay, next we are having these test tubes. The test tubes are used to check the thermal sensation of the patient. In one test tube we'll fill the warm water and in another one we'll have cold water. And we'll place these test tubes near the patient's treatment part and we'll ask the patient whether he can feel any of the sensation of warmth or cold. If the patient is able to feel the sensation, it means he has proper sensations and we can continue the treatment. But if the patient is facing any difficulties or cannot feel any of the sensations, it means the patient is having impaired sensation. So we cannot give any treatment. So it's necessary for you all to have these test tubes inside your kit. Next we have these electrodes. ये ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि you have to keep it in your kit, but if you wish you can buy it, or colleges में also they provide. It is used for long term, so it's not compulsory. If you want you can buy it. Next we have this Velcro strap. So Velcro strap is used to fix the electrodes at one place like this. If here are the electrodes, you can just fix it over here. Next we are having this Micropore. Okay, this Micropore is just an alternative to Velcro strap. You can keep either one of them, or if you want you can keep both of them. Next we are having this thermometer to check the temperature. This is tester. So you have to keep tester inside your kit because in first year electrotherapy practical you have to show it to the examiner by checking the mains of the switchboard and also by checking the modalities. So you have to hold it like this. And if a light glows inside it after placing it near the switchboard, it means the switchboard is working. Okay, so you have to keep this tester. Next you have to keep this sensory kit. Sensory kit is basically used for sterignosis, barognosis, graphesthesia or kinesthetic awareness. So as for example in barognosis, patient is shown different types of objects like for example key, lock or any coins, and then he's asked to close his eyes. We have to give any one of the object in his hand and he has to identify the object by keeping his eyes closed. Next we have this fluorescent tube. So this tube is used for testing of SWD machine. You just have to place the two electrodes and keep this tube on the electrodes. Increase the intensity of the SWD machine. If this tube glows, it means the SWD machine is working. So this tube is basically used for testing of SWD. So you can keep this inside your kit. Next I am having this 3 goniometers. This is called finger goniometer. This is for wrist, ankle, and this is for shoulder or hip. So it is compulsory for you all to keep these goniometers inside your kit. I have these charts, so I'll open it one by one. This is Jaeger's chart. You have to give it to the patient and ask him to read these paragraphs by keeping it closer to the eyes. This chart is used to check the nearer vision of the patient. This is called a Snell's chart. This chart is kept at a distance of around 6 meters from the patient. You might have seen this when you visited an ophthalmologist. They asked you to read this alphabet from a particular distance. This is called as color blindness chart. You have to show it to the patient and patient is asked to read the letters inside this. Next is surgical marker. So this is useful in second year practicals for motor points. When you find a particular motor point, like for example if you find flexor carpi ulnaris, radialis, then you have to mark that motor point with the help of the marker. You can keep this surgical marker inside your kit. Next you have to keep this Crepe bandages. This is used in electrotherapy practical in Faradism under pressure. So this chart is for calculating UVR dosage. You will learn this in your second year. You can place it on your arm, forearm, mid-thigh or abdomen. You have to ask the examiner before placing it and you just have to place it like this and cover this. So that's it guys. I hope I have covered almost everything in this video. If you all found it helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And do let me know if you have any queries in the comment section below. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.